How's it going, guys? I'm just gonna do a quick video because I know this is an issue with a lot of RSXs, and I know I was battling for a bit this issue. It's the notorious Glovebox Rattle. Now, if you guys have Glovebox Rattle, look at the mechanism that's actually in front of you, which is the lock and the handle. So I'm going to turn your attention and I'm going to tell you what I did to solve this. And there is no Glovebox Rattle anymore. So here we go. Okay, first off, what you do, loosen the two screws under here, the Phillips screws that are holding the glove box. Loosen them, okay, on both sides. It's underneath the cover. So loosen that, okay, then open your glove box, close your glove box. While you're holding it firmly, tighten those two bolts underneath. That's number one. Number two, go to your handle. If you feel, see this? See, this is solid. You don't hear anything. You go and tap on yours and you hear like there's something that's vibrating against it, or it's loose. Okay, so what you got to do is what I did with mine. I was just experimenting. So take out the lock, those two Phillips screws, okay, this assembly comes out. I don't want to take mine apart now, but when you take this apart, heck, I'll just probably show you. So okay, this video might not be so quick, but I'll show you. Okay, now look what I did. I got some felt. So first off, these are connected together, right? The screw here, make sure that's tight, okay? I put felt around the edge of this plastic piece, which goes against the glove box, right? So that's one rattle. In between the lever and the plastic piece covering the key holder, I put another piece of, or maybe I didn't, well, maybe I didn't have to, but you can, I think I did. You can anyway. This plastic, the plastic cover from the key holder comes off, and then you can do your magic around that. So I just put some felt around that. Make sure the screw is tightened. Better yet, put a little bit of blue Loctite on that, and put it back in. Okay, and then just make sure these are touching close as possible. And that is pretty much all I did. And then once you do that, you put it back, you go for a drive. Enjoy. No more Glovebox rattle or annoying noise. So yeah, go try it and let me know in the comments. All right, hope you liked the video. Subscribe, comment, like. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.